Good evening, traders. Tonight I want to talk to you about the stock chart for CYBK, Kiosk Solutions Incorporated, which is an OTC markets traded stock. So the first thing I want to point out today is that today's Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2014, and you'll see we closed down a bit on a little dip here. Now, the significance of that is that we've come back to a previous support level and resistance level here. And that's where we actually ended up closing, is right there at that level. Now, what that means is we could see a bounce from that level if the buying pressure is on tomorrow. Another thing worth mentioning here on this chart is that you'll see the 200-day simple moving average has played a crucial role in keeping the price per share up as well. So we came down, tested this 200-day simple moving average, and bounced up above this previous resistance, which has become a support from the looks of things here. So we're looking again to see first this level hold around 0.069, and we're also looking, if that fails, to see the 0.055 area hold. So next, I wanted to point out the 13-day exponential moving average. You'll see that that's where we kind of found some resistance over the past 2 days at that 0.091 area. Now, from here, if we can cross back above this 13 EMA, it's a very bullish sign because that's a great short-term momentum indicator. If you look back on the chart back in like February, March, that kind of even January, you could see that when we broke above this 13 EMA, like right here and right here going up, it kind of led to breakouts. So we really want to watch for that line break. It's crucial, and that's at 0.091 right now. And above that, we're looking also to tap on the parsar to flip it to the other side below the price per share. So that's at 0.123 right now, and if we hit that, it flips. That'll give the buy sign as far as the parsar is concerned too. We're still holding our golden cross here with the 50-day simple moving averages trading above the 200, so that's looking good. Yeah, so the main thing in terms of price action on this chart that we want to see is we want to see that 13 EMA break, and we want to see the parsar get tapped. So those are the first two levels that we really want to look at breaking. And again, you can see just on the chart from looking here, this 0.091 region is relevant for more than just that 13 EMA. You can see that there's also been some previous support and resistance at this level back here and here, as well as right here. So very significant level. We want to see that break, and we want to see a hold and close above that. Next, you can see that over the course of the last couple weeks here, there's been a little bit of red volume, a little bit of red closes, but more significantly, we have seen a very huge green volume day here. So we're seeing some real accumulation here, and here was a pretty solid one too, higher than these 2 days. So a lot of accumulation is starting to come back. We had seen a little bit of selling and some profit taking. I mean, people had been loading, around this 005 area, even all the way up as this broke out from that region, all the way up to 38 cents here. So I mean, you've got some profit taking, which has kind of led the price down a little bit, as you can see from the most recent dips. But it looks like it's kind of starting to try to rebound and set a higher base. As you can see, this has happened several times. It happened right here. I mean, it kind of consolidated for a few days before breaking out again. It happened here. It consolidated before breaking out again. And it appears that we've consolidated here and could be on the verge of breakout again to test a nice little rebound. So that's what we're watching for. Now, just in terms of short-term momentum some more, I just wanted to point out that we've got the MACD starting to curl back up. Looks like it's going to get its crossover soon if we're just going to extrapolate that line. So we're looking for this nice bullish crossover here. We're looking for a continued curl up, and it's starting to look really good. So yeah, as far as the chart goes, just keep your eyes on that 13 EMA and that 0.091 area in general, as well as watching this parsar flip, and those should be the good signs here. And just to briefly point out also what's happened when the parsar has flipped before. Right here is an area where the parsar flipped. See, it was trading above right here. It got hit, flipped below, then look at this nice move all the way up to here before it flipped again. So the parsar has been a very significant part of this chart, as well as the 13 EMA. So those are our two main indicators as far as I'm concerned. Please be sure to review my disclaimer and note that I am not a trained financial professional. This video should be used for and viewed for entertainment purposes only, and nothing I say constitutes a buy, sell, or hold signal. Thanks for watching, and good luck trading.